Hello class 2nd students, this is your English first book. I hope you are at home and safe. Please support us and deposit fees. Now this is your English first book, chapter 3, singular and plural nouns. And in last video we have learned about using s in plural form. Now we will let's learn adding es to nouns. Now we will add es in the nouns. When a singular noun ends with ch, sh, s, double s, o or x, we add es to make it plural. Now see example, branch. This is branch and it's end with ch. So what will we use? We will use cs. You can see there are so many branches going on, so it is plural form, so we will add branches. Now second example, brush. This is brush and it's end with ch, so we will add in this es and it will become brushes. You can see there are 3 brushes, so we will make it plural form as brushes and we will use es in this. Some words are exception, they do not change as per rule. कुछ exception होते हैं. Exception means जो change नहीं होते rule के according. There are some exceptions which are photo and it will become photos, piano and pianos. Now let's see practice time. Change the following singular nouns into plural. Write them in the blanks given below the pictures. Now we have to change this singular form into plural forms. Now let's start. You can see this is a bench and these are 4 benches. So bench. At last what is written? It is ch. So what we will add? bench. So it will become benches. Now this is fox and last what is written? It is x. So we will make it foxes. We will add es and it will become foxes in a plural form. Now this is potato. So it is o in the last. So what will we add? S or es? Yes, we will add es. Potatoes. You can see there are so many potatoes, so we will add es. Now this is dress and it's end with double s, so we will make it as DRESSES, dresses. Now next is dish. So there is only one, it is singular form. These are 2, so we will make it as DISHES, dishes. Now last, this is buffalo and it's end with o and there are so many buffaloes, so it will become BUFFALOES, buffaloes. So do it in your notebook and try to do last 2 by yourself and check it, is it right or wrong. Complete this and we will continue in your next video. Thank you.